think most lawyers are familiar with the concept of public relations, obviously.
Yeah.
But I don't think that, and truly I believe this, I don't think many fully understand the value that can come from taking part in PR-related activities. So what type of impact have you seen public relations make on the law firms that you've worked with over the years?
Yeah, it's helpful. Here's how I explain it when talking to clients. So there's two kind of overarching goals with the kind of marketing mix that you can have. You can have lead generation tactics, and then which are tactics that drive a potential lead to your website to convert, or phone, or whatever it is. Typically nowadays it's over the internet. And they go into your funnel, and your goal is to convert them to a lead. Well, PR is on the brand awareness side of things. So PR is not a lead generating tactic. It can be, it certainly can, but that's not the goal, and that's not the outcome. The outcome is awareness and credibility, so that when you are driving those leads, when you get a lead, your chance of converting them into a client is much higher, and much higher for them to even pay attention to your lead generation marketing tactics. So, and for law firms especially, credibility through those brand awareness tactics is kind of often the crucial deciding factor as to whether someone is going to work with a firm. So that's the role PR plays. It's that brand awareness, making people go, okay, I've heard of this firm before, they seem, or I saw them in the news, or when they become a lead, they go and do that Google search and they find articles about the firm. So that's the role it plays. And it's a pretty important role, again, for law firms where credibility is such an important factor for buyers of legal services. And I've certainly seen coverage directly lead to client, a law firm bringing on new clients. But it's not, clients comes to me and says they want to drive leads. PR is not your number one tactic. So really it's part of the bigger marketing mix that works together in tandem with that. And then it helps lead to other things. If lawyers want to become get speaking engagements, other things like that, being quoted in the media helps a lot. Because it's more difficult nowadays for people to kind of sort through all the crap out there, and they use the media to be that verifying source to make sure that this particular lawyer who wants to speak at an event or whatever it is legitimate, is credible. So that's really kind of how I explain it.